Hey everyone, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to install the Scribus publishing app. It's a open source publisher tool. It's a great alternative if you use Microsoft Desktop Publisher or maybe the Adobe equivalent. It's completely free. It works very well. And in this video in particular, we're going to be covering the Flatpack version. Now, if you've watched my videos before, you realize that I like to cover the universal package installers so that I'm not just doing the Ubuntu instructions or I'm not just doing the Fedora instructions. A lot of times I do the Ubuntu instructions because most people use that distribution. But in this case, we're going to cover Flatpack because it is on FlatHub. So the way you can install Scribus is you can open up the GNOME software app, go here, you can go up to the search box and you can just look for Scribus. And it should show up. Now we can see this one is the community version that's on Arch. But here's the Flatpak version, and you just click install. It'll download directly from FlatHub and install on your computer. You can also do it through the terminal, which I prefer to do. And you can just do Flatpak search Scribus. And as long as you have Flatpak installed, and information on all of that is in the install instructions for Scribus, which is in my link in the description box below this video. But basically just do FlatHub or Flatpak search Scribus, copy this. Keep in mind that this is from FlatHub, so you would do Flatpak install FlatHub, and then just the name of the application ID, which is right there, and add a -y at the end just to automatically accept. And you'll be asked to enter your password, and it'll start installing. So installation for Flatpak, it definitely takes a little bit longer for these kind of applications. That's because it's a huge suite of stuff, and you're going to be installing this, and this. So 4 different packages. But generally, it should go pretty fast, and once you've got it going and all the stuff set up, you can just launch Scribus. I generally recommend the Flatpak version if you are using a distribution that maybe you don't want to compile the code on. Say you're using Gentoo, don't feel like compiling the platform stuff, you can easily just get the FlatHub package. Or if you're using a distribution that may not have an easy way to install this program. And also, I like Flatpak more and more. Like, even though I use Arch now, I've been using it on and off for years. Instead of using the AUR stuff, I generally find myself using Flatpak more and more. So there's a lot of different use cases, and even on Ubuntu, because it's just convenient. You can find it right in the store. So we are now installing the Scribus package, and then we'll soon be able to open it up and I can show you that it works. All right, so the installer is done, so we can close that and we can open up our application menu and go to all. And now this is going to be different depending on the desktop environment you use, but if you're using GNOME, which a lot of people are, go here to the application browser, and Scribus should be right there. You can click on it and open it right up. And there we go. Now we can make our stuff. Now, I'm not a desktop publisher. I'm not going to be messing with this. Maybe we'll talk about this more in the future, but that's how you install the program. It's the most recent version. It's on FlatHub. It's on all the major distribution repositories, and I think it's even in the Snap Store, but don't quote me on that. So please check the link in the description for more information, and I will see you in the next video.